Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Hello Crypto Gamer, today I'm sharing with Boton Dojo daily combo for September 11, 2024. Okay, the first pick card with easy create a roadmap. Okay, there we go. Okay, oh yeah, I have a new collection. You can go here. And then for the second one, which is see, okay, this one's the community. Okay, okay, see, build an innovation hub. There we go. And then for the last pick, and then go to the code and just find that this one. Define tech tax. This Button Dojo is according to build a web dev or isa kang programmer, okay? And claim the prize. Okay, this is the best 3 card for Button Dojo in September 11. Thank you.